Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably excited to learn how to withdraw USDT from BC Game in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for crypto transactions because it holds a steady value, making it perfect for withdrawals from platforms like BC Game. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified BC Game account, some USDT in your wallet on the platform, and a crypto wallet address where you want to send your funds, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Security is key, so double-check that your account is secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Step 1. Log in to your BC Game account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Look for the withdrawal option. It might be labeled as Withdraw or Cash Out. Click on that to get started. Next, select USDT as your withdrawal currency from the drop-down menu. You'll then need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those details first to avoid any surprises. Now, paste your external wallet address where you want the USDT to go. This is crucial. Triple-check the address to prevent any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, hit the Verify or Confirm button. BC Game might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your email or phone, to ensure it's really you. Once verified, submit the withdrawal request. You'll get a confirmation message, and then it's just a waiting game. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, with faster blockchain networks, it should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're using the Ethereum network for USDT. And remember, never share your private keys or withdrawal details with anyone. If you run into any issues, BC Game's support team is there to help. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from BC Game in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and now you're ready to manage your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.